And what are these?
Those are sweet potato balls.
Sweet potato balls. They haven't been baked yet, but I imagine they're probably soon going to be. And right here you've got, what is this?
That is cheese dip.
Cheese dip. And we got some ham in here that cooked in the crock pot for a good long time. And what's in the oven? Anything?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, you got some, whoa, a blast of steam came out of the oven. Those are bacon wrapped little smokies, right?
Yes.
And she's got a bunch more stuff in the fridge, just waiting right now.
I want you to take a picture of my pistachio cake before I cut it.
Where's it at?
It's in the fridge. You send it to Missy.
Well, I'd like to get it on my video that's currently going like right now in progress.
Can you turn that water off? Of course, you've got to get this.
The finest looking pecan pies.
That's not Food City.
No, my wonderful wife made that for me.
Okay. Here is
Oh
something.
my goodness. And this is pistachio cake.
Yes. This is one I want you to send a picture to Missy over. It's green cake, also known as green cake.
Okay.
And then that's not all. Right here's one of your favorites that you've not had in a long time. I don't know if you know I made it.
Oh, cool.
Cheese logs.
Cheese logs. And I've actually got club crackers now,
I
too.
know. And then
She's been busy.
something else new that I've never made before.
Get your lovely face on here.
Hello. This is a cherry strawberry yum yum.
Cherry strawberry yum. A cherry strawberry yum yum.
Yeah, half cherry and the other half strawberry.
Wow. Oh my goodness. We're going to gain
We'll
150
see if that
pounds.
works. And then, I didn't make these.
Patience
did.
made those.
Those are really
They
good.
are good. I've had 2 of them.
Oreo balls.
Oreo balls.
And then, you and Patience has almost demolished all of this.
Fudge that you made.
I've given away.
Yeah.
We went through 4 rounds of fudge, which I've given a lot of it away too.
Yeah.
For Christmas gifts. All the peanut butter's gone.
See, just a few crumbs left of the peanut butter in there.
then-
That's it.
This is something new that I tried this year. I've not had one yet. I don't know what they're called.
They're pretzels with caramel and a pecan on them.
It's actually Rolo.
Rolos
caramel.
are stuffed with caramel. Or
So-
did you say caramel?
Caramel? Whatever.
Caramel? I can't remember who said what.
And then, of course, I asked my family.
Show me them deviled eggs. Oh my goodness, we're all crazy about
Do we
deviled
really have
eggs.
to have deviled eggs for Christmas?
She
And I was told, what was it?
makes
I
the
was
best
told,
ones.
is that an
Ta-da.
insane question?
Ta-da! The best deviled eggs in the world right there.
Okay. You got the ham. You got the smokies. So,
Well, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.